How to log in Amazon Prime Video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to log in to Amazon Prime Video. Whether you are using a computer or a mobile device, this process is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon Prime Video website, or launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your device. If you don't have the application, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you're on the Prime Video homepage, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to begin the login process. If you don't see this button, it might be under the menu icon if you're on a mobile device. You'll be redirected to a login page where you need to enter your Amazon account email address and password. Make sure to double check your information for accuracy. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you have two-step verification enabled on your account, you'll receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter that code in the provided field to proceed. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Prime Video homepage, and from here, you can browse through thousands of movies and shows available to stream. If you have a subscription, you're all set to enjoy your content. And that's how to log in to Amazon Prime Video. If you encounter any issues, make sure to check your internet connection or reset your password if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.